Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Medicine channel. Today we will be discussing the previous year questions of NEET PG from 2022 to 2018, which are being asked from general physiology. Okay, so it's a topic based question, previous year question discussion. So if you like this particular thing, please do comment so that I can continue such practices. Okay, so let's start. It was being asked in NEET PG examination 2021 year. So following are the level of various ions in a body fluid. Identify the fluid. So basically here you can see the sodium concentration is low, the potassium concentration is high, and it is just needed the potassium concentration is high in which particular body fluid, ICF or ECF, which is high. It is higher in case of ICF. Potassium concentration is high in ICF. You can also take phosphate concentration is also high. Some organic anions are present, or proteins are also there. But in case of ECF, you can just keep it in mind, higher concentration of sodium is present and higher concentration of chlorine is present. So just by knowing the fact higher concentration of sodium is present in ICF, you can give the answer ICF. And for reference, just gave the values in respective body fluids, like sodium is less in ICF, but it is more in case of ECF. It is less in ICF, whereas in case of potassium it is less in ECF, but in intracellular fluid it is higher in concentration. You just keep it in mind about these two ions only. Okay, now let's go to the next topic. It was asked in 2021 NEET PG. A man had GI fluid loss for which he was being given oral rehydration solution. Glucose absorption from his gut will utilize which of the following transportation? The first thing which we will see is basically glucose transport. Glucose transport. Okay. Usually happens by GLUT. Okay. So there will be an option like GLUT. But why is the answer is why SGLT is the answer? Because glucose transport in GIT and kidney is done by SGLT. Okay. So SGLT is the transporter which helps in glucose transport in GIT and kidney, whereas in other cells it is GLUT. Okay, now there is further explaining about, so we found the answer, it's SGLT. Now let's further, just as it's being mentioned here, SGLT1, let's discuss about types of SGLT. Types of SGLT. Okay, first SGLT1, SGLT2 and SGLT3. There are three types. Okay, now the first type SGLT1 just helps in glucose transport in GIT. But in case of SGLT2 and 3, these help in glucose transport in the other one, kidney. Okay, so the answer is SGLT1. Now, aquaporin channel mediated through ADH. It's a particular question, somewhat out of the syllabus, not that much out of the syllabus, means you can't. So let's find the answer. The answer is aquaporin 2. Why it is aquaporin 2? Here ADH is present. ADH is a vasopressin, human vasopressin, and the aquaporin, which reabsorbs water in the presence of vasopressin, is only aquaporin 1. Aquaporin 1 is the only water channel that has been activated by vasopressin to enhance water reabsorption in kidney. Okay, in case of vasopressin, aquaporin 2, 3 and aquaporin 1 and aquaporin 3, water reabsorption does take place. But it does not take place in presence of vasopressin, or it is not being activated by vasopressin. Okay, the aquaporin 2 is only activated by vasopressin. So these 3 questions were only being asked from general physiology from 2022 to 2018. So I do believe you like this particular video. So please do share your thoughts about it. Thank you.